Awning Windows Baytown is a service that requires precision and expertise. Our team of Baytown awning window experts specializes in providing top-notch awning window installation services. Whether you are looking for custom awning windows or energy-efficient awning windows, we have the solutions you need. Our Baytown awning window contractors are skilled in installing vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. For those in need of awning windows Baytown services, our team is ready to assist. We offer comprehensive Baytown awning window repair services to address any issues you may encounter. From awning window glass replacement to fixing awning window locks and hinges, our Baytown awning window experts have the skills to restore your windows to their original condition. Trust us for all your awning window repair needs in Baytown TX. Energy-efficient awning windows Baytown are a popular choice for homeowners in Baytown TX. Our energy-efficient awning windows Baytown solutions are designed to reduce energy costs while enhancing the comfort of your home. With our custom awning windows Baytown TX options, you can choose from a variety of awning window designs and styles to match your home's aesthetic. Our Baytown awning window suppliers offer a wide range of energy-efficient options to suit your needs. Affordable awning windows Baytown TX are within reach with our competitive pricing and quality products. We understand the importance of budget-friendly solutions, which is why we offer affordable awning windows without compromising on quality. Our Baytown awning window contractors are committed to providing cost-effective awning window solutions that meet your financial requirements. Choose us for affordable awning windows in Baytown TX. Awning windows Baytown services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our Baytown awning window replacement experts are equipped to handle all types of awning window upgrades and replacements. Whether you need new awning window frames or awning window screens, we have the parts and accessories you need. Trust our Baytown awning window suppliers for high-quality replacement options. Custom awning windows Baytown TX offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. Our Baytown awning window designs are tailored to meet your specific preferences and requirements. From selecting the perfect awning window styles to choosing the right awning window hardware, our team will guide you through the process. Experience the difference with our custom awning windows in Baytown TX. Vinyl awning windows Baytown are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our Baytown awning window experts recommend vinyl awning windows for their energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of awning window styles and designs available, you can find the perfect vinyl awning windows to complement your home. Explore our selection of vinyl awning windows Baytown for a long-lasting solution.